Past karma can bring bad situations around us or good situations around us, but these bad or good conditions cannot make me feel miserable. The conditions do not have that strength if I have mastered my mind. श्री राम को वनवास हुआ है, सारे लोग रो रहे थे, लक्ष्मण जी गुस्सा खा रहे थे, और राम जी समझाते लक्ष्मण को, देख भैया 14 साल वन में रहेंगे, महात्माओं को मिलेंगे, ऋषियों का दर्शन करेंगे, सारा समय हमारा राजकाज कुछ करना नहीं, आसन प्राणायाम करेंगे, सत्संग करेंगे, प्रकृति के साथ खेलेंगे, नदियों में नहाएंगे, झरनों के साथ खेलेंगे, पक्षियों के साथ उड़ेंगे, और गुरुकुल में जो हमने अपना बचपन बिताया था वो फिर से मजेदार वक्त वापिस आ रहा है। लक्ष्मण तू क्यों क्रोधित हो रहा है? लक्ष्मण को बात समझ आ गई, अरे मैंने तो ऐसे देखा ही नहीं था, ये तो हमारी पिकनिक शुरू हो रही। दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड। द प्लेस वेयर श्री रामा स्टेड, वन प्लेस इन चित्रकूट, I went to that place. It's a beautiful place. Even today, it is very remote. Not much development has happened in that area. And once you arrive at that spot, the cave where Sri Rama lived, spectacular. Quiet, serene, green. And Ramji lived for the longest time over there. So beautiful place. And after Sita's abduction, when Rama, in searching, went for many places, I happened to see another place in Maharashtra, and that's the place where Sri Ram met Shabari. Even today, after good 10,000 years ago, when Rama had gone there, even today, that place is so serene, so nice. This particular place now has a small village, and there are many houses, but the place where Shabari used to be, a small temple has been erected over there. So Rama has been kicked out of his kingdom. He was supposed to be a king, and now he is like a wandering sadhu. And he lived 14 years in the jungle. And Ram enjoyed every bit of it. You know what? Even when the Sita got abducted, it said Ram was found crying. Sita, Sita, where are you? And Lakshman is following Sri Ram. Beautiful story. And it happened that Mahadev and Parvati were moving in the air, and Parvati, Sati, saw Sri Ram, and when Mahadevji saw, Mahadevji folded his hand, Jai Sachidanand Jag Pavan Aske Chale Manojan Savan. I prostrate to the Sachidananda Bhagavan who is doing this leela, this act out of joy. And Sati gave this stern look, what? This is not a leela. He's crying. Mahadev said, no, he's not crying. He's a Sachidananda. Ananda Swarup never cries. What you are seeing is just a leela. It's a game. She doesn't believe. I'll go and test. Mahadev said, if you have to go, please don't do any unjustful thing. She said, okay. And she goes there and makes a plan and takes the form of Sita. The physical appearance, the form of Sita. And stands right in the path of Sri Ram. What did Mahadev said? Don't do any unjust thing. Wives never listen. They never. You tell them anything, they do opposite to that. She goes there, Sri Rama is crying and Sita, 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 and here, bingo, the Sita is right there. And Ram just looks, calms down, walks very nicely, comes close, folds his hand and it says, Mata, how come you are roaming in this forest all alone? Where is Mahadev ji? Mata, where is father? Now, Mahadev ji addresses Sri Ram as his guru and Ram addresses Mahadev as his guru. Sati was stupefied, dumbstruck. She is in the appearance of Sita. Ram has recognized. And she felt so shamed. Without giving any answer, she returns back to Mahadev. And when she goes to Mahadev, Mahadev is little upset. And Mahadev says, now you lose the right to be my wife because my guru has addressed you as Mata, mother. So from now on, you are not my wife. I disown you. And went into Samadhi. Sati couldn't take this whole insult. She was reaping her own karma. And it is said that finally, in her father's yagna, she had to discard her body and had to take another birth. And then again do tapasya. And then again she appeased Mahadev. And it took her a long, long time to finally become Mahadev's wife again. How could Ram recognize Sita? He was crying, but still he could recognize. This means the crying was part of the game, as Mahadev said. अब ये गेम क्यों है? श्री राम के लिए रोना, जंगल में भटकना, ये खेल क्यों है? क्योंकि ये वचन उन्होंने ऋषि विश्वामित्र को दिया था, ऋषि को दिया था, जिस ऋषि ने सारी कथा लिखी और उनको उन्होंने वरदान दिया था कि भाई तुमने जो कुछ लिखा है मैं वो सारा खेल वैसा ही खेलूंगा. स्क्रिप्ट वॉज रिटन. ऋषि वाल्मीकि जी को वचन दिया, तुमने जो लिखा है मैं वैसा ही करूंगा. इसीलिए हम राम और कृष्ण के जीवन को लीला कहते हैं. पर जिस दिन आप ज्ञान साधना के द्वारा अपने मन को शुद्ध करके बुद्धि को ज्ञानमयी बना के ऊंचे उठ जाते हो, उस दिन के बाद तुम्हारा जीवन भी लीला ही हो जाता है. गुरु नानक देव जब यात्रा में रहते थे, कहीं भी जाते थे तो क्या बोलते थे? मर्दाने देख रंग करतार के, मेरे करतार ने क्या रंग बनाए हैं जरा देखो इसको. कहीं कोई बुरा, कहीं कोई ठग, कहीं कोई चोर, कहीं कोई अच्छा, कहीं कोई बुरा, जो भी मिले, जो भी दिख रहा है वो सब मेरे करतार का ही तो स्वरूप है. Sri Ram had to face difficulties. And yet his mind was stable, calm, peaceful. Situations don't change our mind. If we have mastered our mind, then the situations cannot change our mind. If we have not mastered our mind, then every small situation, every small loss is going to make you stressful.